All right. We're looking at, this is page 33 in your functions packet. And again, these are more trig functions, and I'm telling you, don't give it a second thought because we're just going to do these in the calculator. Where I'm going to change it to degrees because I'm going to use a degree measure. I look at it ahead of time and I can see that I've got the sum of the sine and the cosine, which I then have to square, minus the difference of the sine and the cosine, which I also have to square. And it asks you to simplify this. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, first of all, just start typing this in. Open parenthesis, sine of. I'm just going to make up a number, and my number is going to be 57 plus the cosine of same number, 57. Close the 57. Okay. That whole thing is squared. Okay, so I'm going to get outside of that last parenthesis and then caret 2 for squared minus, open a parenthesis, sine of 57, close the 57, minus the cosine of, open parenthesis, 57, close parenthesis, get outside of the whole thing and square it. Enter. Okay, so 1.8207 is that thing simplified. So A can't be the answer because 2 is not the answer. We're going to do sine squared minus the cosine squared here and see what that does. So open parenthesis, remember whenever you're squaring the sine or the cosine, in this case both, all by themselves, you've got to do sine of open 57 close. So you close the sine of 57, get outside of that parenthesis and then square it. Sine of 57 squared minus, open parenthesis because I've got to square, cosine of 57, close the 57, get outside that parenthesis, square the entire cosine. Enter. Nope, that is not right. Okay, next one. The sine of 2 times 57 is, I'm going to go back and look at the history. I think that's right. But let's just make sure then and do the last one. 2 times the sine of 2 times 57, close that and enter. Okay, 1.8207. So I'm going to go look at the history. The sine, this was the big complicated one, 1.827. And if you look, that's A. We knew, oh wait, no, this one's B because we knew it couldn't be A. So B, C, D is the one that matches. So D's my answer. Okay. Uh-oh.